At Laminators Incorporated, we manufacture metal panel composites, primarily used for building facade or also for the signage industry. Our business depends on our network systems to be operational. When we need them, they need to be there for us. And Miles Technologies has the ability to keep us operating and make our downtime as short as possible. Any project that we need to implement, they have the ability to bring the technology and the know-how to make our project successful. Miles is there when we need them. So when a situation arises, we never feel like we're on an island. Recently at a conference out in Las Vegas, and we had a power outage. And it wasn't even 24 hours. Miles was out here, and they helped get us operational again and put us back in gear so we could satisfy our business requirements. Miles Technologies has the capability, the professional staff, the professionalism to support a manufacturing company like us, to not only be timely with their responses, but to keep us current and to get us what we need in order to be successful. I would recommend them to someone else who's looking for that sort of support and needs IT professionals to back them up and keep them current.